Hello, Junior High Ag. Let's take a look at Lesson 6, Math Lesson 6. And this lesson will combine what we've done with addition and subtraction. We're going to now start using some division to solve some word problem applications. And once again, the reason why we're doing this is because in the world of business, in the world of farming, everything in life is essentially a word problem. So it's a good skill that we can use while we're not in class to be doing some of the other things we might be doing. At least we can practice these fundamental math skills that will apply in so many areas that you will pursue throughout high school, college, and in life in general. So that's why we're spending time doing this. Take advantage of this time that we have and do the best we can. Lesson number 6. Let's take a look here at problem 1. In May, 3 8th grade classes will go on a field trip to the museum. They will travel in 2 buses. 2 of the classes have 33 students, and 1 class, so we've got two classes with 33, and 1 class has 30. The classes will be divided so that each bus carries the same number of students. How many students will ride on each bus? Well, the first thing we need to do is determine how many total students there are. So, what are we going to do about that? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Of course, we are going to add, so let's go ahead and do that. And once again, we're going to try to do this without a calculator. So you have 2 classes have 33, so we're going to have 33 plus 33 plus 30. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9, or you could say 3 times 3 equals 9, so we have a total of 96 students. The class will be divided so that each bus carries the same number of students. So how do we now determine how many students on each bus? I hear you. Good. Division. So we need to take that 96 and divide it by 3. And so without using a calculator, we could go 3 divided by, or I should say 3 divided into 96. Let me give myself a little bit more room here. Let's see if I can use this eraser. 3 into, how many times will 3 go into 9? Or 3 times what number equals 9? 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Let's bring that down. 6 minus 0. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 9 is a 0. We're just going to leave that. And then we ask ourselves, how many times will 3 go into 6? Or 3 times what number will equal 6? 2. And I think we have our answer. What's the answer? 32 students. 32 students will ride on each bus. That will give us the equal number. And if we wanted to verify that our arithmetic was correct, we would come over and say, okay, if 96 divided by 3 equals 32, then 32, what is the opposite of division? Multiplication. So 32 times the 3 buses, 32 students times 3 buses, let's see if that equals 96 students. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Therefore, we have confirmed that our answer is correct. So that's question 1 on lesson number 6. Give me an email if you have any questions or concerns about this or any other lessons. Next up, we'll take a look at problem 2 here.